Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation the traditional ways. Canning 101. Which method should I choose? Water bath or pressure can? Welcome back, Rebel Canners. So, sitting here with a little front porch talk again today, thought we'd talk about something that's come up quite a bit in the group. And it's like, which method is best? And there's been all these things about, oh, you've got a pressure can, you've got a pressure can. And I'm seeing all these questions about pressure canning jelly. And I'm like, that's not the best practice if you're making jelly. It can make your jelly scald and burn. I don't want to taste burnt food. And over bubble because, the headspace isn't right. If you're switching from water bathing to making pressure canning, the pressure canning headspace is a little bit more. And so that's just not quite, it either. And then it's just not the best method. It doesn't make it safer, and it doesn't really make it quicker because you got to heat it, vent for 10 minutes. I mean, if you're boiling it in a boiling water bath, you only have to boil for 10 minutes, 15, 20, not vent for 10 and then do your time and then wait for it to cool down. It's just not faster, even. So there's really no benefit to pressure canning jelly. You wouldn't want to pressure can pickles, anything that's pickled, because you're trying to preserve the crispness in your food, and pressure canning is just going to turn it to mush, and you're going to have mushy pickles. We're all trying to get the crisper pickle anyway. We're all trying to get to that fermented pickle in a canned pickle. And you're just not going to do that if you pressure can. And there's no benefit to pressure canning pickled food. So, just because you have all these people out there screaming, you have to pressure can, don't take it too far. There are things that are better off pressure cans, and there are things that are better off water bathed. Use your common sense. And it's even recommended to water bath foods. Yes, there are foods that are recommended just to water bath. Pickles, jams, jellies, conserves, any of that kind of thing. So, just pick the best method for what you're going to do. And choose the method that works best for you. Be informed about it. But don't think you're going to be doing it one better if you just do this other thing. Better isn't always better, especially in this case. So, just a 2-minute talk tip. Thank you. Have a great day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a like, and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.